Welcome to my very first long-form video where I will be showing you the progress that I've made so far. As you can see, after lots of trial and error, and I figured out how to use these like the splines in an Unreal Engine that let me construct this track. And what I have in mind for the track is first, think Le Mans first, Mulsanne straight first chicane. Um, so what that will look like is a long. It's gonna be a long straight followed by kind of like a just. It's really just oh. As I was explaining it, I just realized that this is on the wrong side. So let's. But you know what we can do? So we're gonna fix that. It just crashed. The Unreal Engine just crashed for like the 5th time. So yeah, I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna like random weird shadows. Look, if I get really close, look at that. What even is that? I think I might just restart uh, the whole thing. File, save all. Okay. Let's just. Yeah, okay, so I have no clue what's going on, but I think it's working now. No? Okay, let's have these weird shadows. So I keep on losing stuff over and over again. Bro! What the heck? Oh my gosh. Bro, you've got to be kidding me. Try file, save all again. Okay, fair, fair. One right there. Go file, save all. Bro. Boom. File. I spent like an hour trying to get ChatGPT to create blueprints because it told me that like the best way to
create a spline that had the static mesh that I wanted, like formed to that spline, and create roads. I could create a road with a static mesh. It tried to make me create like a blueprint that would do that through blueprint code, where it's like we can just add it. It's like it's already made for you. Look, it even. Well, I might have deleted it.
Basically told me over and over again that .u asset files worked until I confronted him or ChatGPT about it, and then I admitted that yeah, the .u asset files that it made are faulty and just placeholders. Um, even told me how to import it into Unreal, even though it wasn't possible. So that's just kind of like the thing about ChatGPT. It's not really, doesn't really, it's just not there yet. It's not at the level that a lot of people think it is. There's just a lot of stuff. I mean, that's just like it. Not wasted like hours, but there's so many examples of ChatGPT just like being really annoying. Kind of being good news, everyone. Um, we have a track. We have a track, and we also have a car and a map and yeah, and a landscape. You know, feels good. Yep. First steps. First steps. Um, so yeah, let me show you what we have so far. Oh wait, this car is from the starter pack. I did not make that car. Uh, it's just from the starter pack. Maybe later I'll probably have to make my own car. To be able to, I might have to. But I mean, really, right now, I'm just going to focus on getting an AI that's going to drive this car through through these turns as quickly as possible. So let's get to the demo. And brake. And turn. Okay. Obviously, it's not perfect, but it definitely works. I think works. So yeah, that was it. This is the map. Shout out to Unreal Sensei because that's how I learned. Watching his video is how I learned how to use the basics of Unreal, like the lighting, how to set up the lighting, um, and how to navigate the Unreal engine. So now I think next step would be, it's not even getting complicated yet. This is just the very very beginning. We haven't even started. Um, we have a track, and now we're gonna start working on setting up a Python, probably a Python IDE that will work with that's gonna work with this, and hopefully we can set that up so that way we can start working on the AI part of it. And hopefully it can be done in a couple of months, so that way I can have something done in time for an internship or something. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is just the first of a very very long journey. Um, Hopefully I can have something done in time for an internship, to apply for an internship next summer. We'll see. But I think we have a road and we have a car set up. So I think that's pretty good progress. Yeah, the road only took us like a day. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.